Hey everyone! If you're an Amazon Prime member with a Prime Visa card, adding it to your Prime Video account can make payments smoother and help you earn rewards on purchases. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the steps so you can get it set up in no time. Let's dive right in. First off, why bother? Linking your Amazon Prime Visa lets you use it for Prime Video subscriptions, rentals, or buys, potentially earning cash back on eligible spends. Before we start, ensure you have your Amazon account logged in and your card details ready, like the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Step 1. Open your web browser or the Amazon app and log into your Amazon account using your email and password. If you're on mobile, make sure you're in the Amazon app for the best experience. Step 2. Once logged in, head to the top right corner and click on Account and Lists. This is your gateway to all your settings. Step 3. In the drop-down, select your account to access your profile settings. Scroll down until you find the Payment Options or Manage Your Content and Devices section. Depending on your device, it might vary slightly. Step 4. Under Payment Options, look for Add a Payment Method and click it. Choose credit or debit card as your method. Step 5. Enter your Amazon Prime Visa details carefully. Double-check the information to avoid any errors, then hit Save or Add Card. Step 6. Amazon might prompt you for verification, like a one-time code sent to your email or phone. Complete that step to confirm. Step 7. Once added, go back to the Prime Video section on Amazon and test it out by attempting a rental or purchase. Your card should now show up as an option. A quick tip. If you run into issues, like an error message, make sure your card is active and not expired. You can always contact Amazon support for help. And there you have it. Your Amazon Prime Visa is now linked to Prime Video. This simple process saves time and maximizes your rewards. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.